Today I'm going to show you how to add symbols to your market watch in MetaTrader 5. Alright, directly from this MetaTrader interface, you're going to go down to quotes on the bottom left hand side. Here you will see at the top there is a plus icon. Here you can add symbols. So if you're looking for Forex, indexes, metals, Nasdaq, whatever it is you're looking for, you can go into those folders or you can just simply search over here. So let's just say we want to look for USD Australian dollar pair, and there it is. Quite simply tap on it. You'll see now that instead of the plus icon, you'll see a check mark. You can now simply go back and you will see that it is in here. Now give it some time to populate. If you tap on it, you'll be able to create a new order, look at the chart, check its properties, the depth of market, the market statistics, and then you can change it into simple view mode. What we simply want to do here is if we go into trade, you'll be able to actually open a trade, and on the top right, you can then change your symbol in terms of what you want to trade on.